Shop wants over $600 to flush this generator, but we're not just going to do maintenance. We're fixing a factory spec gap. Found this reservoir low during the last inspection. Sure, we can just top it off, but we're going to do a full chemistry alignment. The factory green or blue is a 2-year coolant. Heavy Duty ELC is 6. We're switching to get 3 times the protection. 1 coach, 1 coolant. Before you touch anything, disable your AGS, the automatic gen start. You don't want the engine to fire up while you're working on it. Safety first. Our coolant drain plug on our Onan 12,000 watt generator is right down here on the bottom side. Right up inside that hole there is a 12 millimeter hex head plug, and that is the drain plug. You're going to loosen up the radiator cap to break the vacuum, and what you want to do is check to see how clean or dirty your coolant is as it's going into the drip. This here looks pretty clean, which is a good sign, because that means that we should only have to do 1 flush. While that drains, here's our shopping list. 1 gallon of peak final charge concentrate, Fleet Guard Restore, and 2 gallons of distilled water. Simple, cheap, and spec perfect. Moving to ELC triples your service life. Instead of changing the system fluid every 2 years, you're protected for 6. That's 3 times the longevity for $70. Once the system's done draining, install the plug. Then we can add the Fleet Guard Restore. The mix-in ratio is 1 gallon of Restore, 10 to 15 gallons of system fluid. Now, our system on the Onan 12,000 watt generator is approximately 6.6 quarts. So we're about a gallon and a half. So when we do that math, it's approximately 21 ounces and then the rest of distilled water. So now we're going to add the 21 ounces of Restore to the system. Now we're going to grab our 1 gallon bottle of tap water, and we are going to start adding that. The run process is approximately 60 to 90 minutes at operating temp. We'll keep an eye on the level, and as the engine warms up and we start recirculating or pushing the water through and pushing air out, we'll go ahead and top off through the expansion tank as necessary. Now that our generator ran for an hour, we shut it down, let it cool down for about an hour. Now we're going to go ahead and drain the chemical flushing agent out of the generator. And we're going to fill it back up with tap water and run it for another 10 to 15 minutes. I repeated this process an additional 3 times with tap water until the fluid being drained out was clear and there was no more foaming. Once I achieved that, then I did a final rinse with distilled water, ran the engine for 15 minutes and drained again just to remove any tap water mineral deposit. The final fill. We use concentrate because there's always residual water left in the engine block. This will ensure that we hit our 50-50 mix for maximum protection. I pre-mixed this jug 60% concentrate to 40% distilled water. It's another $572.09 saved today. Across 4 episodes, we've kept over $1,400 in our pocket. That's $1,400 that stays in our travel budget. If this video saved you time and some money, hit the like button. It helps other motorhome owners find the content that they're looking for when they need it the most. For the whole maintenance series, subscribe and ring that bell. We're adding to the series regularly. Got questions or did it differently? Put it in the comments below. I read every single one of them. Until next time, I'm Brent with 44 Feet of Freedom. We're taking the power back. See you there.